Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change name in the Coinbase app. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase app on your home screen. Now open it. After that, tap onto the three dot lines at the top left corner, just right here. Then tap onto Profile and Settings right here. Then scroll down. Here you can find the option of Close Account. Now tap on it. And after that, tap on to OK. Now here is the thing. After only closing your account, you can change the Coinbase name. There is no any built-in feature that you can change the name after signing up in your account. To change the name, you can simply delete this account and use another account and add another name. And that's it. This is how you can change the Coinbase name. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.